Two more witnesses have deposed today in the Salman Khan 2002 hit-and-run case. The first witness, who lived close to the accident site, said that he reached the location after hearing shouts and screams and a big bang. According to the witness, Salman Khan was sitting in the front seat. Whether it was the driver or the passenger seat, it's not clear. The driver side door was open while the passenger side door was stuck due to the accident impact. Now, the second witness, a waiter at the restaurant where Salman Khan ate with friends before the accident, testified that Salman did in fact drink. He could, however, not confirm whether the white fluid that Salman was consuming was water or an alcohol. In some relief for Salman, the witness added that while escorting him out of the restaurant, the actor seemed normal and did not smell of alcohol. Now, interestingly, the witness accounts against Salman have turned out to be a bunch of contradictions which may ultimately work in his favor. 6 witnesses have deposed and all of them have presented differing versions of the event. First witness saw Salman getting down from the passenger side. The second saw the actor get down from the driver's side. The third did not remember which side Salman got down from. The fourth, who deposed today, did not remember which side Salman was sitting on. Among the waiters in the restaurant, the first couldn't confirm if Salman had liquor, and the second said today that Salman was normal and did not smell of alcohol. Virendra Gunawat now joins us live from Mumbai. Virendra, you've been following this case very closely, but what the story is a story of contradictions.
It is true. There's a lot of contradiction because even today is the example where a witness had arrived in the court and saying one thing, that he has seen Salman Khan in the car, whether he was on the driving seat, he was on the other hand, but he was not confirmed. Whether he was driving, he is not confirmed. But he said yes, Salman Khan was seen during the incident. His security guard, Patil, the police constable being provided by Mumbai police, he was there. He was outside the car. Salman Khan was inside. But he was not sure whether Salman Khan was really involved. Second witness, a crucial witness, who said that Salman Khan was holding a white drink. And now the defense lawyer was arguing whether that white drink was water or whether some kind of a soft drink or what was that. He was not sure what was that. Second, when he was asked whether he was smelling alcohol, he said while escorting Salman Khan outside the restaurant, he said, I didn't notice. So the point is that both the witnesses had come, they had given the statement before the court, but it seems they are quite a weak witness before the Salman Khan, and it might really work in the favor of Salman Khan in this particular case. Back to you.
Virendra, do stay with me. There is a reaction also coming in from an eyewitness. Let's cut across.
अब एग्जैक्टली मुझको भी याद नहीं, इतना कोई आदमी जब बात करता है तो इतना कोई उस टाइम पे कुछ सोचा नहीं था कि ऐसा कुछ बड़ा इंसिडेंट होएगा कि स्मेल आ रही है या नहीं आ रही। नॉर्मली सलमान खान रेगुलर विजिटर है रेस्टोरेंट के, रेस्टोरेंट में रेगुलर आते हैं, तो कुछ ऐसा मतलब मुझे कुछ खास स्मेल ऐसा लगा नहीं है, ये मैं कोर्ट को बताया हूँ।
Virendra is still with us. Virendra, a quick question with you before I let you go. What could this mean for Salman Khan as far as the hit-and-run case is concerned, with 6 witnesses, most of them deposing and only leading to more contradictions and controversy?
That's true, and we are expecting a few more witnesses tomorrow, because tomorrow is another day where Salman Khan has to come. Even the the prosecution would be presenting some few witnesses more against Salman Khan. We need to see what kind of a statement they give and what kind of information they provide, whether they have seen Salman driving, whether they have seen Salman coming out from the driver's seat, whether they have some other information. We need to see. But definitely all the 6 accused till now, it's a mix of a reaction. Some have seen one or two have seen the Salman on the driver's seat. Most of the people don't even confirm whether he was drinking, he was smelling alcohol. But yes, it's a mix of contradiction. But we need to see another few witnesses that will be coming tomorrow, and what really comes out, the concluding part out of the entire case of the entire trial process.